So today we have this super huge haul.
Yeah.
So actually one of our mom's friend gave us all of this. So if you're watching this video, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And this is a lot of stuff, so we're going to be reviewing it one by one. So let's go ahead and do that.
So first we're going to start with the socks. And it has these beautiful laces right here. It has Elsa on it. These ones, one of them have Olaf with one tooth. And Anna right here. So yeah, these are the ones that my mom's friend gave us. So yeah, that's it.
Okay guys, so we have this other pair of socks. It's our second pair of socks and our last. Has 3 pairs like the other one. And this one's different. It doesn't have laces. Yeah, it has Elsa on it. And Olaf again. And Anna. They're super pretty. Thank you so much. Okay, so next we have these Frozen books, and this is not Frozen 2, it's just Frozen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are sticker albums. So you can put stickers in here and these little squares. Yep, it has little sticker places, and yeah, the stickers are collectible. And here is a whole envelope of the bags of stickers, which is like super cool. Thank you so much. It says 7 stickers per packet. So yeah, we have 7 stickers per packet. So yeah, thank you.
This is a little pony set. It was kind of like open. That's why it was like falling a lot. And yeah, it has wires. I think it's wires. Yeah, it's wires. And it comes with little accessories like to put on the hairs and decorate them and all that stuff. We're gonna open this and show you what's inside here. So we're gonna start opening it. Scissor time. To cut this, and yeah, we're gonna cut it. So
we already got all the wires untied.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, guys. So this horsey has blue curled hair with a blue hair tailed. She has blue eyes. She is all white and she can move her head.
She also has this flower.
She also has this flower decoration, and yeah. So the next one is purple. She has yellow curly hair with a yellow tail. She has this sun decoration. She has blue eyes. She is all purple and she can move her head. So this is a pink one, and she is pink, of course, and she has kind of like hot pink hair.
She has a bow on her hair.
Yeah, she has a bow on her hair. She has blue eyes with eyelashes, and she also has this cute butterfly. So this is the prettiest pony. She is purple. She has dark purple hair with a purple bow. She has this decoration on her. She has some eyeshadow with some eyelashes.
She has 2 bows.
Yeah, she has 2 bows, and she's big. Yeah, and she has a crown that's yellow, and yeah, she's big. Now we're going to open all of this.
Okay guys, so in the box it came with these hair clips. We have this flower. It's a blue hair clip for the ponies. We also have this flower. It's a yellow flower. It's super cute. This pink rose. and this purple flower. They're all super cute.
And we also have this cute brush with another cute brush. They're both pink, and it comes with these
Hair accessories.
yeah, hair accessories. And yeah. So next we have these Disney Princess walkie-talkies. And yeah, we're gonna open them, and yeah. So we already opened them, and they look super cute. They don't have batteries yet, so we're gonna put batteries in just a minute. But yeah, they come with two, and this is the on and off button, and yeah.
Okay guys, so next we got these little beauty stuff. We got this is liquid foundation, so I'm actually gonna see what it is. So here's the foundation. Yeah. And here we have these 3 packs of earrings. They're super pretty. My favorite ones are probably the top ones. I think we can take this out. Yeah, so here it has little ribbon. Yeah, they're all super pretty.
So yeah, we have these 2 dolls. One of us are gonna open this, and one of us are gonna open this. So first, we're gonna open this one. So this is the doll. She has a really beautiful red fancy dress. She has this thing on her dress. She has this top, I think it's called gold top, and she has these little things, and she also has this, and she also has something in the back. So this is the hairstyle that she has. It's so pretty. She has like this hairstyle, and yeah, she also has these red shoes. They're super fancy, and yeah.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna open my doll. I got this doll. She's super pretty. I can tell that she has long hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and open her. This doll had nothing on her head. She had nothing behind her head, but she has this super cute braid. It has another little braid in there, and she has crazy long hair. Yeah, she can move in the head, arm, and knee. That's the only thing she can move. Yeah. And she's wearing this super pretty green dress with this gold lace on the top and more a gold bow here. It has little circles. And here are her shoes. They're black shoes. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments which toy was your favorite.
Okay, guys, bye.
Bye.